Hi, I'm Mark Densley, Director of Business Development for Emerson Automation Solutions. Today we're going to talk about IoT and the ability to monitor and predict performance degradation from our pneumatic components. So here on display we have our IoT demonstration. We have various actuators which are moving and controlling the position of the vacuum cups as it goes around. We have a number of sensors that you typically would find on a normal pneumatic application. And all of those pneumatic actuators and inputs associated to them are fed back into this valve manifold here. The inputs and the control to the actuators is sent to the PLC, and the system is normally controlled, looking at the status of the inputs and then deciding the difference in the outputs. However, with this system, we're also feeding this data into this edge device over here, and that's collecting the data from all of these sensors that are in this demonstration. By collecting that data and collating that data together, we can start to understand the performance of these components, whether it be velocity, the cushion condition at the end of stroke to stop that load that we're controlling, whether it be the number of cycles that the valve has achieved, or whether it be the actual flow coming into the pneumatic circuit by the flow meter. All of that data is put into the edge device, and then we do some analytics inside of the edge device, and we can display that in real time on a dashboard such as this. So here we can see the valve counting, how many days we have left before these products need to be replaced. We can see the velocities of the shock absorbers, the mins and the maxes. We can see the shock time, the time it takes to actually cushion the load that we're controlling. And we get some other information such as the throughput, the flow coming into the system, and the pressures. By knowing this information, we can start to trend this data, understand if there's any leakages within the system, understand if there are any problems with the cylinders, whether they need adjusting to be repaired prior to complete failure. So the other thing we can do within the edge device is send notifications, whether that be an email or text message, to get some maintenance of the devices prior to complete failure. And that obviously increases the uptime of the equipment and lowers the total cost of ownership.